In this video, we bring to you a unique and well-appointed shipping container home residing in the quiet neighborhood of downtown McCall in Idaho. This property boasts a modern industrial design, a covered outdoor patio with plenty of space and ample parking in the large driveway and covered carport. Opening from the front entrance is a delightful, light-filled living space with unique design elements that meld perfectly with luxurious comfort. The interior has a practical and comfortable open-plan layout with an integrated kitchen, dining, and living areas with plenty of room for entertaining or relaxing with friends and family. From the entrance is a striking kitchen space fitted with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and enough storage space. In addition, the kitchen space has a breakfast bar that can sit two. The open plan concept of the living room creates a spacious and well-lit environment. From the kitchen is a cozy lounge space fitted with a comfy sofa bed, a smart TV, an electric fireplace, and a floor mat to define the lounge area. The fireplace in the living room promises warmth during colder months. What makes the living room feel much bigger is the full-view garage glass door that opens wide onto a large terrace which doubles the living space by creating an amazing indoor-outdoor experience. The house has got 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom on one end of the house and a guest bedroom on the opposite side. Past the lounge area is the guest bedroom. It is fitted with a comfortable queen bed with warm beddings, storage shelves, and a slit window that illuminates the space with natural light. Off the kitchen area is a hallway leading to the master bedroom. Along the hallway is a surprisingly spacious bathroom. This stunning bathroom features a step-in shower, a vanity with storage, and a separate toilet, offering separation and privacy for guests during their stay. The master bedroom features a comfortable king bed, ample storage cabinet, a glass window that ensures the space is well lit, reinforcing a close connection to the outdoors. The interior walls are painted in a light color, creating an illusion of well-lit big indoor space. Outside, there is a charming deck furnished with a few chairs for guests to relax and enjoy the fresh air. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial charm of the cabin. This house is covered with an additional roof above the shipping containers, creating a beautiful piece of architecture with amazing functional space that complement the beautiful setting the house is built in. This beautiful house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you love shipping container homes like this one, or you are planning to build your own, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing shipping container homes from around the world. If you want to be excited or mesmerized by shipping container architecture, don't go away. Feel free to scroll through our YouTube channel. We have over 1,000 YouTube videos covering only shipping container projects. Yeah, you heard right. Only shipping container projects from around the world. Feel free to browse through the videos and the homes featured. In case you have any question or questions, feel free to send us an email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.